Hello everyone, welcome back to Mad Max. This is Ashwini, and today I am going to tell you about a small game. Actually, this particular online game can help you do time pass if you are like bored and you need to do some time pass. You need to spend some time and you don't want to install any game, then this is a very easy trick, and I'm going to show you what to do. And this is a very popular game of 90s, so 90s kid will definitely like this trick. So what you have to do is you have to go to Google, open Google, and in Google you type Pacman, and I suppose everybody know about this game, Pacman. Now this page will get open, and the first thing you'll see is that direct here from here you can directly play the game. You just have to click on play, and one bar will be open. So now you know that if you are in the middle of something, you are getting bored and you need to spend some time playing games, online games, you want to do time pass, then you can play Pac-Man. This used to be my favorite game of my childhood. So this is it. Thank you.